On that beat, ho.
This is gonna be a quick video about my opinion on Unice, whatever it's called, hair. I think it's Unice. I like it. I'm gonna go with Unice. I ordered this hair on Amazon for about $130. I think it's like 24 inches. I'll find it. It was a long time ago that I ordered this hair. I'm not even gonna lie. I'll find the exact wig and everything that I ordered, and I'll leave it in the description box. My honest opinion on this hair,
well, this is the packaging, and yeah, it came pretty beat up, but hey, it's just hair, so opens like that. This is my first time opening it, by the way. Here's the Upart. A little plastic bag, you know. Damn, everybody else got free wig caps and shit. Oh, I got some free lashes. They're a little big for my taste, but I might could get them to somebody. But that's it. I didn't get a little postcard. Everybody else got like a little postcard saying how to take care of it and all type of stuff. I mean, it says how to wash it, how to comb it, whatever, but that's it. I feel a little left out. Where's my wig cap and extra clips and stuff like everybody else got? That's all right. You get what you pay for.
my honest opinion on this hair is it was $130 for a Upart wig. I mean, I don't know what y'all be expecting. I know what I expected. I come from spending $300 to $400, maybe even close to $500 on weave hair, and I know what I'm getting when I order that as well. It better be flawless and it better look like it's coming out of my scalp. However, I spent $130 on a Upart wig. I knew exactly what I was getting. So here's the hair. And it's a little frizzy right now, but I'm assuming that's just because I took this damn net off, and this net is very sticky. Like, it was not sticky, but like clingy. It kept clinging to me, so the hair, of course, was gonna cling to it. Honestly, the hair smells like hair. I mean, it smells like hair, whether it's from a package or from like a vendor. I mean, it smells like hair. It feels really soft, feels nice. Yeah, I mean, the ends are really full, which I'm shocked. The only thing, again, and this is what people were saying, which I totally agree with, the clips should come down right here. The clips should not be right here. Why would clips go right there? They need to go right here. But I'm either gonna add a clip or sew this part down, which I'd rather clip it so I don't have to sew this on. But other than that, it honestly looks pretty good quality. I'm happy with it so far. We'll see. Moral of the story is, I think it was worth $130, and that's what I got. I got a $130 wig. Does it shed? Yeah. Does it knot up in the back, all up in here? Yeah. But it's nothing that I can't deal with, and I've also had worse from more expensive companies. So moral of the story is, I think the hair is decent for $130. I feel like I'm gonna be able to wear this at least a few more times. It's not something that I will wear in my head consistently for months though. No. I wouldn't do that, and the reason is because it sheds a lot. My son, he's 1 year old. Every time I have my hair out, or because I naturally have long hair, but if I have like hair like this, braids, my hair, whatever, he likes to pull my hair. She actually likes to pull my hair too, but I'll look at my son's hand and I actually see like this hair in his fingers, and I have to like pull it out, and it just gives me the heebie-jeebies. I don't do like hair everywhere. So with that being said, it's not something that I will wear consistently. However, it's a wig. It's a Upart wig. It comes with the combs and everything like that, so I could take it in and out whenever. Okay, baby, let me get, now here are some pointers that I'm trying to remember so I can get it all in this video really quick, because my kids, I gotta stop the video and go get my son because he's tripping. She's about to start tripping. Anyways, so do I have to flat iron my hair constantly to keep it kind of like looking good? Kind of, yeah. Like, so I took a nap with her not too long ago, and I didn't really have to do much to it after I got up. I did have to run a comb through it, a brush through it, because it did kind of get a little like tangly, but nothing that I couldn't run my fingers through if I needed to. Yeah, like I just, it's not that bad. Like, it's bad, it's not that, no, you know what, it's not bad. It's not that bad. It was a $130 wig. Like, I'm gonna say that 50 times because it was a $130 wig. Like, what did you expect? Anyways, yes, sometimes I do have to, like, before I leave the house, if I had my hair, if I had this on and I was around the house doing stuff like that and I'm about to leave, yeah, more than likely I'm probably gonna have to run a flat iron through it before I leave. Again, I'm used to the type of hair that you don't have to do that type of stuff to. You just have it in and you can go. Not this hair. This hair has to be combed. I have to have some type of oil, like I put BioSilk in it. It requires a lot, which is why it's not something that I would keep in my hair consistently. Will I put it in because I need to be cute for a little while? Yeah. I put this hair in for the 4th of July. It did its job. It was hot as hell out there. I was sweating. It was a mess. It did its job. I got home, my hair still looked straight. Obviously, I had to comb it, but it was fine. Again, for $130, you kind of can't beat that. So Upart wig is convenient. And then what else? I went over the shedding. It sheds. It kind of gets tangly. Oh, it flat irons really well. It curls really well. Does it hold a curl? Yes and no. Like, it does, but it was a $130 wig. Okay, but yes, it does actually hold a flat iron. So this is actually body weight, but it does straighten really well and it stays straight, so that's really good. Excuse me, baby. Thought she threw up, y'all. I would purchase this again if I was in like a dire need and I couldn't afford better quality hair, because I'm a stay-at-home mom. My husband supplies everything, so I'm very frugal when it comes to money. I'm not gonna be like, babe, I need $300 hair. Like, he would buy it, and he's told me multiple times, just order it. I just won't order it. I just keep getting these cheap old wigs and stuff. I don't need a wig, but I have 2 kids. It's hard for me to just be, you know, like with my hair, my life is hectic. Okay, I just need something convenient, quick, and easy. But again, I maybe would purchase it. Now, if you were to ask me, hey, I only have this amount of money, I'm not trying to spend, you know, $500 on hair, would you recommend Unice? I would. I actually would. It's not bad. It's going to get the job done. Again, this is not something that you should have in your head consistently, in my opinion, unless you got a really good batch and you really, really take care of your hair. Because with this, I did not take care of it. To be honest with you, I ordered it a year ago and I wore it a couple times, and then it sat balled up in a bag for like the remainder of the year. And then I just found it the other day because I needed my hair done for 4th of July, but I didn't want to pay, so I just plopped this on. Moral of the story is, yes, the hair sheds. Yes, it does tangle up in the back. No, it's not horrible. Would I recommend it? I would. Would I wear it consistently for like a month straight? Absolutely not. Would I purchase it again? Maybe if I really, really needed some quick hair, maybe. They do have like the headband wig that I honestly think is good enough quality for me to actually purchase. I will purchase that, actually. I'm going to purchase that because postpartum hair loss because of her. Right when I had her, I'd start losing my edges and stuff like that. So I think the headband wig will actually work so that I'm not having to wear my real hair out. So, and it's good enough quality. I think the hair is okay for $130, honestly. I heard that there's a store in the Fox Hills Mall in LA, and my friends, a few of my friends actually purchased the hair from there. And dang, speaking of hair, baby girl. Uh-oh, you spitting up? Okay, we're almost done. A couple of my friends, I've actually purchased the hair from the Fox Hills Mall, and they said the hair is good. Now, they did not get the Upart wig, and they did not order off Amazon. I heard if you purchase in store through AliExpress or Amazon, all the hair, it's different. I don't know how true that is. I've only purchased through Amazon. So this is my review for the hair that I purchased through Amazon, not AliExpress and not in person. I ordered this hair on Amazon. It came 2 days later, and that's that. I don't know about all the other hair. Y'all may have got some horrible, horrible, horrible hair that balled up and you never got to wear it. That wasn't the case. I tore this hair up, okay? I did not take care of it. It sat balled up on top of my freaking washer and dryer rack thing in a box for like literally a year. Literally. So yeah, again, this hair is decent for $130. I'm gonna say that 5 more times probably. That's it. I hope I hit every point. I'm new to this YouTube stuff, so I don't know how good I did, but I was just giving y'all my honest opinion. Follow, well, it's not follow, huh? What is it called? Subscribe and like the video if you liked it. Definitely subscribe if you're interested in my life. I am a stay-at-home mom now, and yeah, I have a lot to talk about. You guys could see what I do in a day with my 2 kids. I cook. I'm gonna post like recipe videos. Yeah, I have a lot going on. I'll be vlogging, showing you guys my daily routines, things like that. More hair videos, more reviews. So definitely stay tuned. I'm really fun, y'all. But for some reason, I'm just really monotone this video, because I actually have a lot to do and I'm rushing this video because I just want content for y'all. I want to make sure I'm giving y'all what y'all been asking me for in my DMs. So here we are. Other than that, this is Donna Marie. And we are out. I know her hair looks crazy. Excuse my baby girl. But I'm about to go tend to her and her brother. And it's been real. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe. I got a lot of content coming. See you later. You say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Say bye, thank you, girl.